Okay, this is for geometry, chapter 5, section 5.14 at the end of the packet. It's it's the problem solving skills for lesson 5.14, and it's trying to find the centroid. So it asks you to make a model of this triangle from cardboard or heavy paper, but you don't have to make the triangle look exactly like this. It doesn't really matter what the triangle looks like as long as it is made of heavy paper. So to find the centroid, what you're looking for is the point where all of the medians of a triangle meet. Now, median of a triangle is the line that connects a vertex with the midpoint of the opposite side. There's a lot of ways to find those midpoints. I'm going to use a ruler, which is not perfectly accurate, but it's accurate enough for what we're doing. So, because my ruler is weird, if I put the very end of that here on the 0, and then I look here, it's a little bit over 12. It's 12.1 centimeters. So to find that midway point of that, I'm going to need 6.05, which is about right there. So there's my first midpoint of my side. Make it a little bit bigger so you can see it on the camera. There's the midpoint of my side, and then to put that median down, I'll connect the vertex of that triangle, or that side, to the midpoint of the opposite side, and try to be as accurate as possible. Obviously, we're not robots here, so you're gonna have a little bit of error there, but it shouldn't be too bad. And you do the same thing for all 3 sides. This one actually is exactly 14.5, so that's going to be 7.25. About right there. So you draw that median as well. Again, kind of be slow and take your time. And there you see where those 2 midpoints, or those 2 medians connect. Now we've got the last side, which is actually longer than my ruler. I've got to break out a bigger one. So that is going to measure about 16.3, so it's going to be about 8.15. And actually got pretty good. So right there you can see they all 3 meet at a single point right about here. So the last step of this whole process is you take whatever you've got, and you probably want a sharp pencil for this, which I don't seem to have any on hand at this point. Got some dull ones, but nothing sharp. I'll use a screwdriver. So you basically put a point right in the middle there, and you stab it with a pencil, and your triangle, when you put it on that pencil, should spin perfectly right around that point. That's going to be the center of mass. If you put your finger directly below it, you can balance the triangle right on the tip of your finger, because that is the centroid of your triangle, which is its center of mass.